Hey, attention new adjusters. Are you trying to find work fast? If so, I'm Dr. TJ Ammons, founder of Champion Adjusters. I'm going to talk about this major problem and how to solve it in the next 60 seconds. Thinking about the adjuster industry? Are you a new adjuster and you're still trying to find work? Let me explain to you the major problem why you can't find work. So they said, get the adjuster license. They said, you'll get the adjuster job. You'll make so much money when you get this adjuster license. But guess what? You spent the time, you spent the money to get the license, and you don't have the adjuster job. Then you find out that getting the adjuster license doesn't prepare you for the adjuster job. It doesn't get you the adjuster job. It doesn't train you for the adjuster job. So now you're right here in the middle. But guess what? Nobody tells you about this when they're selling you the classes. They don't tell you about this when you're calling the IA firms, because you're right here in the middle. There's no train that takes you from here to here. So there's a huge disparity in the middle. Do you see this picture? So what I'm showing you is that you're not prepared. You don't know what the next step is. Now you don't know what the expectation is. Am I really going to get a job? Am I really going to make money? Am I going to be able to pay my bills, my mortgage, my rent? Am I going to be able to buy food, supplies, equipment? And you have no contacts, you have no one to call. And guess what? And then you have no job. You don't know when the next time you're going to make money or the first time you're going to make money as an insurance adjuster, and you have no mentor to kind of guide you through that process. So most new adjusters, they end up right here, failure. They go back to the industry that they were in after they spent the time and the money. After several months, they experience failure. They go back to their last industry. But guess what? There's a small percentage of new adjusters, guess what they get? They do get a job. But what happens is they get cut after 2 weeks because they don't have the skills or the experience to keep the job. So where do you want to be at in this picture? If you're a new adjuster, you're probably going to get the license, you're going to be looking for the job, and you're going to end up somewhere in here. But there is a solution. So if you're interested in breaking this cycle of being a new adjuster and finding out how to not only make money and get a job, but to keep that job for longer than 2 weeks, then click the link below or in the description box. And I'm going to give you the one solution that nobody else is talking about, how to make you successful as an adjuster.